Krishna's Vibes USA in the first chapter of the Bhagavad Gita marks the beginning of the Mahabharata war. It is called Arjuna Vishada Yoga, which translates to the yoga of Arjuna's dejection/grief. This chapter contains 47 verses, shlokas. 1. Dhritarashtra's question and the battlefield scene. The chapter begins with a question from the blind king Dhritarashtra to his charioteer Sanjaya, who was blessed with divine vision by sage Vyasa. O Sanjaya, assembled on the holy field of Kurukshetra, desiring to fight, what did my sons and the sons of Pandu do? 2. Duryodhana's diplomacy and inspection of the armies. Sanjaya explains that upon seeing the strategic military formation of the Pandavas, Duryodhana approaches his teacher, Dronakarya. To hide his inner nervousness, Duryodhana cleverly lists the great warriors of both sides, such as Bhishma, Drona, Karna, Bhima, and Arjuna. He boasts about his army's strength, though deep down he feels uneasy. Following this, the commander-in-chief of the Kauravas, grandfather Bhishma, blows his conch shell like a roaring lion to declare war. In response, Lord Krishna, Hrishikesha, and Arjuna, Dhananjaya, blow their divine conch shells, Panchajanya and Devadatta. The thunderous sound of the Pandavas' conches shatters the hearts of the Kauravas. 3. Arjuna's request, place my chariot in the middle. Just as the war is about to begin, Arjuna requests Lord Krishna, O Achyuta, infallible one, please place my chariot between the two armies so that I may see who stands here eager to fight, and with whom I must battle in this war. Lord Krishna drives the chariot and places it right in the middle of both armies, facing Bhishma and Dronakarya, and says, O Partha, behold the assembled Kurus. 4. Arjuna's attachment and grief, Vishada. When Arjuna looks across the battlefield, he does not see enemies. Instead, he sees his own grandfathers, teachers, brothers, uncles, sons, grandsons, and friends. Seeing his own kinsmen ready to kill and be killed, Arjuna's heart sinks. Overwhelmed by intense emotion and despair, he says to Krishna, physical symptoms. O Krishna, my limbs are failing, my mouth is drying up, my body is trembling, and the Gandiva bow is slipping from my hand. Fear of the future. I see no good in killing my own kinsmen in this battle. I do not desire victory, nor a kingdom, nor any pleasures. Fear of sin. If we destroy our own family out of greed for royal luxury, we will incur great sin. The destruction of a family ruins its eternal traditions, leading to chaos in society. Conclusion, Arjuna's surrender. At the end of the chapter, consumed